Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best PetSafe battery is probably one of the most important components of your pet containment system, ensuring the safety and well-being of your beloved pets by providing consistent and reliable power to the fence. This video will guide you through the process of replacing the PetSafe RFA-67 battery, highlighting essential steps for a smooth and successful replacement, and offering tips to maximize the lifespan of your new battery, keeping your furry friends safely contained within their designated area. Number 5. Pet Standard RFA-67 batteries. These batteries are a premium replacement for your PetSafe RFA-67 collar batteries. They offer a remarkable 10-year shelf life and are free of mercury and cadmium. It's 100% compatible with your PetSafe RFA-67 and RFA-67D11 devices. You'll never have to worry about them popping out or falling out of the collars. Each battery module is waterproof and provides power for 1 to 3 months, depending on usage. Enjoy reliable performance. These batteries are designed for a better fit and longer life. Experience the difference that quality makes. We're here to help. Contact us with any questions about these batteries. We are happy to assist you. This pack contains 10 batteries, providing you with a convenient and cost-effective solution for your pet's needs. What we like. It boasts an impressive 10-year shelf life, meaning you'll always have replacements on hand. This bulk pack of 10 offers incredible value. If you prioritize a long shelf life and a trusted brand, this is the one for you. Number 4. PetSafe RFA-67 battery. It keeps your pet's devices working perfectly. No more worrying about low power for their bark collar, fence collar, or other important devices. Managing your pet supplies just got easier. It's compatible with many PetSafe products, so you only need one type of battery. Rain or shine, it keeps working. These batteries are waterproof and reliable, no matter the weather. Enjoy longer battery life. They typically last for 1 to 3 months, reducing how often you need to replace them. You're investing in a trusted brand. PetSafe has been a leader in pet products since 1998, ensuring your pet's safety and happiness. What we like. Its waterproof design ensures reliable performance in any weather. It's compatible with a wide range of PetSafe products, simplifying your pet care routine. If you need a reliable, weatherproof option from a trusted brand, this is a great choice. What people say. We find these last at least a year for a smaller dog that already knows the boundaries. These batteries fit the collar no problem and the shipment was very quick. They are easy to install, remove, last longer than their predecessors. Number 3. EBL RFA-67 PetSafe batteries. These batteries are specifically designed for your PetSafe collar. They provide reliable power for months of use. It's important to check your model number. These batteries work with PetSafe RFA-67 and RFA-67D11 collars only. Enjoy peace of mind knowing they'll last for about 3 months, depending on how often your pet uses the collar. They're built to last, providing excellent quality and performance as a replacement for your pet's collar. Installing them is a breeze. Simply twist them into place, no tools needed. Don't worry about rain or sprinklers. They're waterproof, so your pet can play freely. This pack includes 10 batteries, giving you a great value and plenty of replacements on hand. What we like. Get a 10-pack of long-lasting batteries for great value. They're easy to install, making replacements a breeze. If you're looking for an affordable, convenient option with a long lifespan, this is it. What people say. Works great in my Beagle's collar. I do change the batteries every month. I also have a much larger Great Pyrenees mix that uses a collar with a 9V battery. Good battery. Fits our collars and works well. Batteries fit and function like originals. Number 2. PetSafe RFA-67 replacement battery. This battery offers long-lasting power for your PetSafe collar. It's designed for reliable performance and is compatible with your existing device. With an impressive 230 mAh capacity, it's the highest capacity battery of its kind. Enjoy extended use without worrying about frequent replacements. It's built to be leak-proof, and its low self-discharge rate ensures it remains ready when you need it. You can trust it to perform consistently. It's 100% compatible with PetSafe RFA-67 and RFA-67D, 11 colors. It will never pop out or fall out, ensuring a secure fit. The premium TPE material and molded-in waterproof gasket seal provides superior protection. It's built to withstand the elements. Installing it is quick and easy. The excellent ultrasonic sealing ensures it stays securely in place and won't fall apart. This pack of 10 batteries provides a convenient and cost-effective solution for long-term use. Always have a spare on hand. What we like? It offers the highest capacity, ensuring longer use between replacements. The waterproof design and durable construction guarantee reliable performance. If you value high capacity and superior durability, this is the best option. Number 1. PetSafe RFA-67 batteries. These batteries are specifically designed for your PetSafe devices. They provide reliable power for optimal performance. Get a pack of 10 batteries, ensuring you're always prepared. Each battery provides power for 1 to 2 months of use. It works seamlessly with a wide range of PetSafe products, including the PIF 300, PIF 275-19, and more. Check the compatibility list to ensure it's right for your device. They deliver consistent 6-volt power, ensuring your PetSafe devices function correctly. No more worrying about weak batteries interrupting your pet's training. Simply replace your old batteries with these and get back to using your PetSafe products. It's a quick and easy process. Keep your pets safe and secure with these long-lasting batteries. Enjoy uninterrupted use for months. What we like? This pack of 10 batteries is compatible with multiple PetSafe models, offering versatility and value. It's a genuine PetSafe product, ensuring quality and reliability. If you need a compatible battery for various PetSafe devices, this is the one to choose. What people say. These OEM batteries fit like they should and do last longer. Work well and fit the collar. Better battery life than copycats. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.